We're going to be talking about settlement agreements, the preparation, the negotiation of them, and then the execution of them. What are settlement agreements? Settlement agreements are when you, as the employer, want your employee to leave and the employee is complying with that, is acquiescing your request. They're saying yes to leaving, but not without an agreement. Now, when should you present an employee with a settlement agreement? How long is a piece of string? It depends on what you're trying to achieve here. If you are, for instance, if you've got an employee that's particularly difficult and you know that you're going to put them through a performance management plan, but that employee doesn't want to go on it, you can offer them an exit negotiation. So perhaps do it that way. Or if you want a bunch of people to take voluntary redundancy, then exit negotiations might be important then. Or it could be that somebody is actually going through some sort of disciplinary process and they want to leave, and you want to make sure that they're not going to sue you later for whatever reason, whether they have whether they've got a good claim or not, and you want to get an exit negotiation for that. Whatever the reason, you should present that to the employee at the time that makes sense in the negotiation stages before they sue you. I want to terminate an employee and offer them 2 months' pay. What benefit do I have by asking them to sign a settlement agreement? Well, that's actually really simple. First of all, you're giving them money that they wouldn't normally be entitled to. So you want to be compensated for that. Second thing is, if you are wanting your employee to leave and you don't want to be sort of exposed later liability-wise or legally, then a settlement agreement is going to be perfect for that situation. You're also not going to want that employee to go out and denigrate you shamelessly to everybody else, and you want to make sure that the agreement itself is going to be confidential. So if you are going to give them a couple of months' pay, certainly recommend a settlement agreement. If they're not going to sign it, I would make the payment contingent upon it. If you don't want to make the payment contingent upon it and you're just hoping to get your employee to sign that agreement, then we can absolutely arrange to have that drafted up for you so you can present it, or you can ask us to present it to your employee as well. Depending on how you present it, you may or may not get a signature. It's really a matter between you and your employee. An employee has accepted a resignation package but is not willing to sign the settlement agreement. Should I take the offer off the table, or do I need to honour it? That really depends on what the settlement resignation package look like. Normally, I would encourage all my employers to have these negotiation packages contingent upon the employee signing the document. So if they don't sign it, they're not getting it. If you find that you haven't had that part of the agreement discussed and they want it anyway, I still think there is a reasonable opportunity for you to get an agreement signed and not have to pay the money, but we need to look into that a lot more carefully. I guess the bottom line is, if you are looking at doing these things with your employee, but you're not particularly sophisticated in this area or you haven't done it before, then get help. Get someone to get it right for you. It can be expensive on the other side if it all goes pear-shaped. So give us a call. We can talk you through some of the commercial realities of what you want to do, and we can help you get it right. Thanks for watching.